Hi everyone. So today's topic is about the artificial intelligence. Earlier, I used to think about this topic. I only feel like that this is a very common topic and everybody talks about it. But yesterday, one person asked me about AI and asked me to talk about it. What do you understand by it? Then at that time, I froze up. I was not able to express whatever things that I know. The problem happen here is that we know very limited about AI, but we think so that we knew everything. The reasons why this happened because we have a limited access to it, and some of you have a premium access, but still. Let me give an example how you use AI. So you generally use the Gemini, ChatGPT, or Copilots, or any other AI. But still, if I ask you what exactly you use over there, you just give me the answer like very similar that I have given. Asking for some questions, getting some research done, and asking to correct the spelling typo, or even if I say that okay, do the maximum what you can say to the GPT is ask to write an email. So this is the most maximum usage nowadays I getting to see from everyone. But the GPTs, the AI is not meant for all these things. They are meant for a very big reasons that we are not aware of, or might be I'll try to cover a few. This is only based on my understanding. Might be they will be used for a many big reason. So now let's go for the background of AI when we first started using these terminologies. So earlier we used to have only Google search. Let's suppose if we have to find out any information, what we have is that either we can go for a books when there was no internet. Once we have an internet, then what we have a Google search. We can we can put the keyword and pull out the information. But the problem here is that many times we are getting more links, multiple links to find out the information, and the first couple of links are ads. And let's suppose if you wanted to look for an information, uh, there are high chances is that you are going to click on first two or three links, and later you will identify that these are the advertisement. Then you come back out of those website and search next four or five more pages, and hopefully in everything goes fine, you are going to get your answer in first 10 pages. But the chat GPT behaves like a very different manner. For example, you just have to put down your query and you will get the answers instead of the pages which are not relevant to you. Now you will think that wow, the chat GPT, the all the artificial AI models are great. Then why how this thing is happening in the background, how this all work is being done. So let me uncover the hidden truth behind it. All the GPT's models are being trained from a lot of data, right? It's a kind of a brain where it's been fed with lot of data, information, and the books, the material that is available in the earth. Our earth is you know how old, very limited, and the data, whatever data we have, we just have to train that model. Once that model will be trained, we check it with the help of the question and answer which we do. The many time you will get the incorrect answer. That is because of some sort of conflicting information, contradicting information, because it is not a human, it is just a trained model which is giving you output based on its training. Let's suppose training says that okay, prioritize these things, then you are going to get it out. Okay, so this is how the entire AI ecosystem work. But the thing here is that what is a big use of it? According to my opinion, which I think so, the in future when there will be a lot of mechanical devices like humanoid and everything, the AI is going to be a brain of those humanoid. Because those mechanical machine we can build up a humanoid, we can build up of any machine, any car, But with the help of the AI, with the help of the proper traction, what we can do, we can give them a brain which can help that device to have a decision making ability, and this decision making ability will going to come from the GPTs. So this is one of the big user case I think that going to be developed in future, and deployed all over the world. There are some other cases where which for example the medical research, or some big calculation which can be done by the human in in fast manner, that can be done by the AI. So these are the couple of user cases that going to be done in future. And rest, I think that the future will be very much different, or might be slightly different as from as of now. Or in parallelly, one thing that I also believe that maybe whatever I said, it's not going to happen, because it's a kind of a AI bubble where where the companies are claiming a lot of things that they are going to deliver uh, the the mechanics or the softwares and everything based on the AI. But what if this entire thing is a bubble? The AI is not capable of doing that much of thing that we are expecting right now. If this thing happens, then will be a big problem, because lot of money has been invested in the AI, and if the things go blow up, then the investor will lose their money, right? The same thing happened when the website, when the dot com bubble was there. A lot of companies invested in the dot com, but eventually what happened, that the bubble got ended and we have lost lot of jobs. But now let's wait what's things going to be happen, but still will be the positive, and we'll try that the AI will going to shape the future in a different way. And let's see what's happened. So today's podcast is all about the artificial intelligence, and its usage, and how, what are the things that are going around us. And if you have any such topic interesting one, you can write down on comment. I'm happy to make another video on it. And this the practice session is going on, and you can also upload. This is the best way to improve your communication skills. If you wanted to improve it, you can also record your podcast and upload it up, by which you can get some confidence. And this is one of the best way to improve your spoken communication skills.